Equipped for 21st century adventures, Defender features our most advanced technologies to date, ensuring you and your passengers are always connected, informed, and entertained. Always ready and always on, Pivi Pro is our most intuitive infotainment system ever. This state-of-the-art innovation is more familiar, more responsive, and thanks to software updates, it's updated remotely to help ensure optimal performance. Using machine learning, it adapts guidance based on your familiarity with the roads and the real-time traffic conditions. Dynamic route assistance will even propose an alternative route if a faster one becomes available. And with additions such as the smartphone pack and online pack with data plan, you can all stay in touch, informed, and entertained, even with online music services. ClearSight rearview mirror is a cutting-edge technology which uses a live video feed from the roof antenna. So when your view is blocked, you can still see what's behind you. Whilst ClearSight ground view helps you avoid obstacles in front of the vehicle with cleverly positioned cameras which seemingly let you see through the hood. Packaged into the center console, wireless device charging lets you easily charge your smartphone without having to plug it in, though several USB ports are also available. The Meridian sound system is also featured. It lets you feel every beat of every piece of music you want to listen to. Or opt for Meridian surround sound system, which uses strategically positioned speakers to ensure that wherever you sit in the vehicle, you get the same incredible experience. The head-up display presents key vehicle data on the windscreen, such as your speed or navigation directions. It features crystal clear graphics, enabling you to see all information with ease, including off-road driving information such as incline and camber angles. Combined with an interactive driver display, it puts key information right where you need it. Clever features such as cabin air ionization help to improve air quality. Heated seats are available across all 3 rows, guaranteeing the warmest of welcomes. Our driver assistance features include blind spot assist, which is designed to detect another car in your blind spot when you begin to change lanes. Adaptive cruise control helps to keep your vehicle a safe distance from the vehicle in front, should it slow or stop when you're cruising or traveling in slow-moving traffic. The 3D surround camera provides 3D viewing perspectives from around the vehicle on the touchscreen that are otherwise impossible to obtain without getting out of your Defender. And to make life even easier, the optional activity key acts as a normal car key, allowing you to unlock and start your vehicle. So if you're in the middle of the concrete jungle or the back of beyond, Defender's technologies ensure you're always connected. How do you redefine an icon? Push harder. Dig deeper. You go above and beyond. You capture its very essence. Then, you reimagine it. You design, engineer, and build it without compromise, until you've created a vehicle that's absolutely of the moment. Introducing Land Rover Defender, capable of great things, with a reassuringly recognizable silhouette, compelling proportions, and a go-anywhere, do-anything attitude. Everything about this vehicle exudes quiet confidence. You can choose between having either a 90 or 110 body design. Both are world-class experts, off and on-road. The characterful design of the LED headlights provides undoubted modernity. Solid shoulders and powerful squared-off wheel arches communicate the vehicle's purposeful stance. Its unique monocoque architecture helps to create a vehicle that doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Short overhangs, great ground clearance, and upright front and rear elevations give credence to the vehicle's capabilities. The side-opening tailgate with externally mounted full-size spare wheel points to Defender's distinctive nature. And bathing the cabin with natural light, the optional sliding panoramic roof provides a spacious feel to the interior. Or on the 90, choose the folding fabric roof, which lets you truly feel part of your surroundings. The Alpine lights, a nod to the original Defender, flood the cabin with more light and provide a view to the outside. Defender's interior is every millimeter as contemporary as its exterior. Exposed structural surfaces, including the cross-car beam, are finished in a highly durable textured powder coat and are available in a variety of colors. Choose between a cabin walkthrough or a front jump seat, or select a front center console with or without a refrigerator. You also have a choice of 5 or 6 seats in the 90, or up to 7 in the 110, ensuring the space can be configured any number of ways, including yours. Functional load space capacity and clever stowage provides ample room for all of your gear. In the second row, there's also plenty of legroom to provide even more comfort. And with 2 body designs, 4 accessory packs, and 6 models to choose from, it's the ultimate personalization. Capable of great things, this is Land Rover Defender. It couldn't be anything else. There's a massive world out there. So where would you go? Where would you go to defy convention? Engineered so that you can push even harder, dream bigger, and do more. Defender's capability lets you tackle challenging conditions with absolute confidence. The all-wheel drive system combines with electronic traction control to deliver a sure-footed driving experience in some of the most challenging situations. Add to this twin-speed transmission, which allows precise control of maneuvering in difficult terrain, and you can go way beyond where you've ever gone before. Configurable terrain response, a world first, means you can now individually select Defender's powertrain, steering, differentials and traction control settings. Whilst Terrain Response 2 gives you the option to activate an automatic mode that analyzes the driving conditions and then chooses the most suitable terrain program. Electronic active differential ensures power is transmitted to the wheels with the most available grip. So when you're off-road, you'll find the system lessens wheel slip. Whilst on-road, it aids cornering. ClearSight ground view helps you avoid obstacles in front of the vehicle, with cleverly positioned cameras which seemingly let you see through the hood. All-terrain progress control lets you set your speed, optimize traction and maintain progress in off-road conditions. And if you're faced with a tricky slope, don't worry. Hill launch assist and gradient release control work together to help prevent the vehicle from rolling backwards as it pulls away on an incline. Clever features such as the optional coil-sprung suspension system combine double wishbones at the front with an advanced multi-link rear suspension, creating an agile and responsive chassis. Whilst electronic air suspension adjusts the height of the suspension to help off-road articulation, making every drive that bit smoother. Defender's outstanding towing capability allows for up to 8,201 pounds, meaning it can readily respond to the most challenging demands. Advanced tow assist will show the direction of your trailer when reversing, whilst taking care of the counter steer. And if life throws unexpected challenges your way, a wading depth of 35.4 inches means crossing water needn't be one of them. Defender is equipped with 815mm diameter tires as standard. Built to take the knocks, they help to improve ground clearance and traction. Outstanding geometry means the vehicle's all-terrain capability is without question, with exceptional approach, breakover and departure angles. So whether you're off or on-road, in sand, mud or snow, any journey can be completed. On-road, Defender delivers an engaging, fun, and direct driving experience. Adaptive Dynamics monitors wheel position and body movements to provide comfort, refinement, and agility. Dynamic stability control is used to bring the vehicle back on course if one or more tires lose grip, whilst the traction control system maximizes available grip, automatically optimizing the vehicle to help ensure a smooth pull-away on low-friction surfaces. And if you've ample gear on top, it's not a problem. The dynamic carrying load allows for up to 370 pounds. Its static load, Land Rover's best, allows for up to 661 pounds, meaning you can make more of your adventure. Defender's gas engines are now more powerful, more refined. And with the addition of mild hybrid electric vehicle technology, you'll not only reduce emissions, but also improve fuel economy. So don't just go far. Go way beyond where you've ever gone before. When we set out to create Land Rover Defender, we set out to create a vehicle that would stand the test of time, which is why we left nothing to chance. We achieved our aim. This is the toughest and strongest vehicle we have ever created. Its unique monocoque architecture has triple the torsional rigidity of a body-on-frame design. Not only that, it's been put through our most rigorous testing regime ever. And with robust steel subframes and added front underbody protection, Defender is seriously durable. Added to which, with larger control arm bushes and ball joints, it can also manage greater loads into the chassis. With a choice of wheels ranging from 18 to 22 inches, including an 18-inch white steel variant for the purist, you can select the size that best suits the kind of terrain you normally drive on. They're equipped with 32-inch diameter all-season tires as standard. An optional off-road tire is also available and features a more aggressive tread pattern. Both have been built for the toughest demands. Their increased sidewall depth means the vehicle is less prone to punctures and can withstand more damage. However, should the need ever arise, Defender's full-size spare wheel means any journey can be completed. Our grained leather seats include a canvas-inspired robust woven textile on those parts that experience most wear and tear. The durable rubber flooring features a checkered pattern design, which means it is incredibly tough, and thanks in part to flush door sills, is also easy to clean. And exposed structural surfaces such as the cross-car beam are finished in a highly durable textured powder coat, adding to the vehicle's no-nonsense credentials. So go on, get out there. Defender's ready for anything.